Hey friends, Melinda here. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I post weekly workouts so that you can stay strong, fit, and fierce with me each and every week. If you're new here, make sure that you consider subscribing. Today's bridal booty workout is, you guessed it, all about sculpting through our derriere. Now, whether you have a mermaid style dress like me, a trumpet style dress, or a slim fitting dress, or maybe you have a gorgeous flowing ball gown and you still want to sculpt through your derriere, then this workout is for you. Now, I'm going to be using these all pro ankle weights. These are 2.5 pounds each, and what's great about these is that you can lessen the resistance or add the resistance to your liking. I've had these for years now and they work great for me. So I'm going to provide a link for you guys below to check out. Remember, if you are loving my content, I want you to click that like button below and show me some love and support for today's workout. Now let's get ready for our bridal booty workout. All right, guys, we are starting in a downward facing dog position. Plant the palms down into the earth, press those heels downward, point the toe up to the ceiling, lift it high, squeeze, contract, and then lower leg. Again, inhale, lift, squeeze through your derriere, and then gently come down with control. So we're lifting, we're squeezing, we're isolating through the right gluteal. Again, inhale, lift, and lower. Feel the contraction through the derriere. Pull the rib cage in. No arching within your back. So it's not about how high your leg goes. It's about working through the derriere and finding that muscle contraction at the top range of motion. Lift up, lower back down. Squeeze the booty, lift it high. Lower it back down. Again, inhale, lift. Lower it down. Take it up, hold, pulse, flex your foot strongly here. Feeling that booty on fire here. Pull low abdominals in, shoulders pressing down the back. Squeeze, contract. One last one. Gently set it down. Take a small breather here. Inhale and exhale. Take the opposite side. Lift it high. Inhale and then lower down. Point your toe tip. Inhale, lift. Drop the shoulders firmly down the back. So continuously reminding yourself to draw and glide those shoulders down the back. Inhale, squeeze. You can't just rely on the exercise. You've got to isolate that range of motion as you squeeze derriere to the top. Press. Inhale, squeeze the gluteal. Press. Working on strength and flexibility all at the same time. Reach, press, lower down. So we're lifting with control. We are lowering down with control. Feel the squeeze, contracted high, lift, and lower. Hold it up. We've got those flex pulses. I want you to flex strongly and fiercely through that left leg. Squeeze, booty tight here. Belly pulling in, push through all 10 finger pads. Lift and press for 4. 3, 2, last one. Downward facing dog. Deep breath. Inhale. Exhale it out. We're now starting in quadruped. Wrists are directly underneath the shoulders and those knees are directly in alignment with those hips. Take the right leg, cross it behind, lift up and over. Take it into your rainbow from here. Now careful of slumping within your shoulders. You want to push up and out of your shoulder joints. Pull the belly in, cross it over, lift and tap side. Now, if you want to, you can always eliminate the ankle weights. Maybe you don't have ankle weights right now, but you can always do these without and still get a major booty burn as well. You're just adding extra challenge and resistance with those ankle weights. So we're working a little bit more intensified within those ankle weights. Lift and press. Again, no arching in the back. You can always modify the range of motion here. Tap across the body, really finding that beautiful arc within the leg. We take it right away into the opposite side. Cross it over, lift it and press. Again, you're pushing down through the floor, lifting high through that rainbow, or modifying with a lower range of motion. Again, work with your potential. Work with what best suits your body here. Lift, squeeze and contract the derriere to the top range of motion. Lift and press. Squeeze, contract. Again, lift. Getting that gorgeous rainbow within the leg here. Lift and press. Squeeze, contract. Full range of motion if you can take it there today. Lift and press. Drop those shoulders down. And now we take it right away into our baby leg circles. Little tiny circles right here. Up and around, pretty quick tempo with these. Through the gluteal we sculpt, up and around that beautiful bridal booty here. Up and around, we're working hard to be confident and strong on that wedding day here. Up and around. Inhale and exhale. Reverse those circles. Now we take that reverse. Little tiny baby circles. Speedy tempo from here, but we're maintaining control and we're maintaining alignment. We always want to be purposeful with our movements here. Breathe. Feel the medial glute work here. Inhale, exhale, opposite side. Press. Little baby circles. So again, that fast tempo. If you need to take it a little bit slower here, absolutely fine to slow down the pace. Or you can take it at my tempo. Work at the level that you can do today. But again, we're pushing each workout. We're finding that challenge each time. Inhale, exhale, press it up and around. Drop those shoulders down. And now let's begin to reverse it. Little tiny reverse circles. Dropping shoulders, lift and press. Reach it in for 4, 3, 2. Last one. Take it across the body. Go into that open diagonal position. Cross it over. Open diagonal press. Inhale, exhale. Squeeze it across. Now find that open diagonal where we reach the toe tips in towards that diagonal corner. Cross it and corner press. Cross, corner press. Your booty should start to feel a little burn or a lot of burn going on right now. Press, inhale, exhale. It's amazing how just adding that small ankle weight can really challenge the body here. Press, inhale, exhale, press. Squeeze it across, hold right there. Open diagonal flex presses right here. Woo, you're gonna start to feel both gluteals fatigue here. So both gluteals are fatiguing. We're pushing up and away. Lift and squeeze. Inhale, exhale. We take it to the opposite side from here. So we cross over, open diagonal press, reach, open diagonal, cross it over, squeeze, lengthen, cross, and corner press. Inhale, exhale it out. Again, you're lifting through the abdominal cavity and you're squeezing through the derriere. Each time you lift to the apex of the movement, the top of the movement, and press. Lift with control, lower and cross the body. So you're also getting your inner thigh working here as we cross the midline of the body. Lift and cross. Squeeze and press. Hold it. Open diagonal flex presses. So again, you're taking that corner, press and flex your foot. Really find energy pressing through that heel. Little tiny pulses here. Working through the gluteal. The entire booty is working hard here. Now we take it into your side leg kick. Out. Take it to the opposite side. Kick it. And in. Find the force behind the motion. But it is a controlled energy. Nothing yanking, nothing jerking here. We are always being mindful through these movements. Press it out. So we're working both cheeks here. Press. Drop those shoulders firmly down the back. Inhale and exhale it out. Stretch the leg nice and long. right out to side body. Gaze is gently beyond your mat here. Out and press. Just transfer that weight out and reach. And make sure you have some nice padding underneath you so that you're protecting out those knees here. I've doubled up the mat, but I also have carpet underneath me. So I have a nice, strong cushion for the body here. Flex. Woo, really starting to feel it now. And reach. Out and press. Stay with me. Out and strong. Reach. Out. And in. Last one from here. Press the booty back into your child's pose. Drop the shoulders firmly down the back. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale it out. Walk fingertips over. Maybe taking the left palm over the right. Sinking the booty down into your hips. Holding on to the stretch for 4, 3, 2. Last one. Walk it over to the opposite side. Over to that corner. Holding here for 4, 3, 2. Last one. Come back into center. Deep breath. Inhale. And exhale. If you want, you can complete another round of this, or maybe 3 rounds if you're really looking for that booty challenge today.